Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must start by understanding why this matters. Dream11 enforces location rules, and attempting to fake location can get your account suspended or closed. Once done, back up your device and your account details so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Also, make sure you know local laws and platform terms. Violating them isn't just a technical issue, it can be a legal one. Take these steps now before considering any further actions. Instead of attempting to spoof location, opt for safe, compliant alternatives. Use official app settings or region-appropriate versions when they exist, because these preserve your account status. If you are a developer testing location-aware features, use sanctioned developer tools on test accounts only. That keeps separation from real betting accounts and avoids harm. And if your location is being detected incorrectly, contact Dream11 support. Explain the issue, provide requested proof, and ask for resolution. To complete the process responsibly, do not try quick fixes that risk your account. If your account is restricted, file an appeal with clear, accurate documentation and identification. Be patient and cooperative. Make sure to secure your account, change passwords and enable two-factor authentication, and watch for unusual activity. If something still seems wrong, pause and contact official support or consult legal advice. That preserves your standing and avoids compounding the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.